Kurumirira gutharara kwa motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini cia muingi kaunti-ini ya Nairobi kumana na mugomo wa arigitani, thirikari ya kaunti nerutĩire arigitani mukana wa kumakinyukiria makinya ma kiwatho angikorwo matigucokereria wira ihinda-ini ria mathaa 12. Ndumiriri ino irutitwo ni thirikari ya kaunti ya Nairobi iria yugite gicunji kia 98 harĩ 100 kia maundu maria aruti wira aya makoretwo magitetia ni mahingitio. Utongoria wa kaunti ugite mugomo ucio ukoretwo ukiingirio uteti utari na uguni na gucungiriria arwaru kunyamarika riria maramatha motungata ma urigiti thibitari-ini cia muingi kaunti-ini ino.
Please, we kindly request you to seek medical care somewhere else in these other facilities and around the county. Because for sure it's going to get worse.
Aruti wira aya makoretwo magitetia gucerithirio kwa mishara kaunti gukorwete kumarihira motungata ma insurance o hamwe na gukorwo matekwambatirio ngathi ona thengia wa gukorwo makinyanirie ikiro.
Wananchi wa Nairobi mjue hakuna madaktari hospitali, na ukienda hospitali mwenye anakutibu ni wale wenye mnaitanga madaktari, lakini si madaktari.
They told us they went for a catch-up meeting with the governor. After that they overfed and they were requesting we give them more time so that they go and relax, settle down, let the insulin settle down. Shame. As Mary was bleeding.
Kaunti ya Nairobi iranire shiringi milioni 424 iria iri budget-ini ya nyongerera ni ikuhuthika kwambatiria ngathi arigitani aria makinyanirie ikiro na UGUO mabatie gukorwo no kiririria.
We want these arrears of these doctors to be paid before we call off the strike. We've been very lenient with the government. Actually, the other way, last week we went for a meeting. They called us for a meeting. We went in. Can you imagine? They stood us up. They walked out.
For the last 5 years, we've been giving and taking. The last agreement we had was in April. They have done nothing on that return to work formula. On this one, we are standing firm.
Ngiribotera Kameme TV Getwo wa Boi wa Njuguna.